Hello! In front of me I have GARMIN Vivomove Luxe, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can wake it up by double tapping on the screen. Sometimes it's a bit finicky, you need to tap on it like that. I don't know why, but it should be double tap. Sometimes it's not really reacting to it, but it should click once in a while. Okay, and once you wake up the screen, press and hold on the screen to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. Here, scroll through the menu by swiping left and right, find the brightness option. Once you find it, tap on it, and right here we can adjust the screen brightness by swiping left and right through the list of levels of brightness. So select the one you like, and then tap on it to select it. I selected the 6 one, but I want the 7 one, so like that. And once you're done, you can press the or tap on the back button right here to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.